Look at this. This is the Western Wall here in Jerusalem by night. Especially for you. I came here to film that.
Nie wziąłem zastrzyku.
I'm going to pray again in all intentions you send, or unknown and unknown. You can send them in the commentary below, and I will pray for you here at the Western Wall. As a rabbi said, if you pray from internationally, it's an international call to God, and you pray from here, from the Western Wall, it's in the Jewish tradition a local call to God. And here we are, arrived, and I will pray for you here now at the Western Wall.